In this video we will see how to make the body of the screw jack in Catia, and the drawing details are given in this PDF, and you can download this PDF from the link given in the description also. We'll go to Catia, mechanical design and part design, and we'll enter the part name as body. And I'm going to choose this YZ plane from in the workspace, or from here also you can just choose, and then click on sketch. If you are not able to see the sketch icon over here, it will be here in the right or in the top. If you are not able to see in any of these two thing also, you can go to insert, and in the you'll see an option called sketcher, and then click on create sketch. And here we are going to use the revolve tool, so I'm going to make only the hatched portion and then use the revolve. So we'll be making the half, and now itself I'm going to add this dimension, and this at the bottom outermost dimension is 140. Since we'll be making only half, it is 70, and this height is 20, and this diameter is 100. So we'll I'll just specify the horizontal point as 70. Okay, and I'm going to start from here, and the length I'm going to specify it as 20. And from here, okay, I didn't double click on that, and from here I'm going to enter it. And first I'm going to draw a rough sketch over here. Later also you can add the dimension, or you can add the simultaneously as I showed in the before. And we'll do this down part, the bottom leftover thing later. Now we will add the dimension by double clicking on this icon. If you are not able to see this constraint icon, go to insert and constraint, and you can see the constraint creation, and click on constraint. Okay, and I'm going to specify this to, and I'm going to specify the point from this to this, and they're given the diameter to be 100, so half of it will be 50. And from here till here also they are specified. Okay, we'll double click on this, and from here till here they are specified. They are given it as 66 in diameter, so half of it will be 33. And this height they are given it as 40 mm, and the outer diameter is 70, inner diameter is 50. So height is 40, and again I am going to add the dimension from here till here. It is the outer diameter they are given it as 70, so half of it will be 35. And I'm going to move this little bit inward. Okay, and now I'll add the dimension. I'll add it from here till here. The inner diameter they are specified as 50, so half of it will be 25. And the total height also they are mentioned. The total height is 185. And I'll move this dimensions bottom and outside of the sketch. And now we'll make sure that these two lines are parallel. First for that I'm going to select these two lines, and here you will see an option called constraint defined in a dialog box. So you can just click on this, which is available here or at the bottom. If you are not finding it anywhere, go to insert, and here in the constraint just use the option constraint, and I'm going to use the parallel. Okay, and I'll specify the distance. The distance they are given as 10 mm, And now I'll just continue with this bottom part. They've given the depth of this, and I'll add the constraint for that one. Height is 3 mm. Height is 3 mm and the diameter is 100 mm. So half of it will be again 50. So 3 mm, and again I am going to add this from here till here. It is 50. Now you can see that all the sketches are in green in color, which means that it's fully constrained. But sometimes all the lines, all the sketches what I have done will be in green color. Sometimes it will show it is. Sometimes it will be unconstrained. So to check that, here you will see an option called sketch solving status. Go to here and you can see that it is ISO constraint, which means that the sketch is fully defined and it is a properly closed profile. And we'll close it and we'll exit this workbench. And now here we'll use the shaft option. In other softwares there will be option called revolve, but here in Catia the option is called cat shaft. In other softwares revolve option will be there, or rotate option will be there, and here, yeah, in Catia shaft option is there for making it to rotate. So by default the sketch is selected now, and I'm going to choose the axis. You can, if you have not created the axis also, no problem, you can create it if it is not coinciding with the center line. By looking into this Catia compass, select the appropriate axis. Now you can see and have a full preview. And here you are having to change the angles. You can just play with it, and then we'll click on OK. And now we'll add the fillets. To add the fillets, here also you'll have an option called fillet. This is the edge fillet, and this is the chamfer, this icon. And if you're not seeing this, you have to just move this apart and just check it, or if you're not finding it anywhere, go to insert, and here you'll see in the, and here in the insert, go to dress up feature, and here you'll see a edge fillet. Go to edge fillet and specify the radius and select the edge where you need to add the fillet. So here they have not specified the fillet, so it will be 1 mm, as here it says unless otherwise stated dimension in mm, chamfer is 1 into 45 degree and radius is 1 mm. So it will be 1 mm over here, and this one is of 8 mm. Here also they have not specified the radius, so it will be 1 mm. So first we'll make this inner, that is the outside chamfer fillet, that is 8 mm, and I'm going to select, and I'll deselect it, and I'll select this proper edge, and we'll just have a preview and then click on OK. Yeah, and now again I'm going to use the fillet, and now I'm going to select this edge and this edge of radius is 1 mm. And now we are done, and now we'll add the material so that it will be appearing in the bill of materials when you add the drafting. You can find the link given in the description where I have shown how to add the material and how to create the material to a part. So I'm going to add the material, and the body is made up of cast iron. So okay, cast iron is not available, iron is there, that's fine, we'll add that one itself. I'll apply it at the top level. I'll select this and apply material, and you can see the material has been applied. If you are not able to see the material, then just change the viewing option over here, enable shaded with material. If you are in the other views, it will not be shown properly, and just go to shaded with material. And thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and comment below for any suggestions. Thank you.